2023, you need to really go do your due diligence, because the microwave oven, it causes the molecules of food to spin backwards in the wrong direction. So you're taking in cancer. You are what you eat. Energy goes a certain way, moves in a certain direction, denotes health. When it goes backwards, it's the opposite of health. So eating microwave food is eating irradiated food.
Just can't even use a toaster oven.
You're not supposed to make things in 2 minutes. The damn turkey takes 90 minutes.